The workshop, the seminar is very fantastic. It's so much enriched. It's an eye-opener. We have been exposed to another world of digital media, and we have come to realize that digital media is the engine for the 21st century. And as a journalist, I'm better off. I'm so enriched, and I thank God for this opportunity.
Some of us will be seen as old school. There are things I've never heard, like a pointer. I've not heard about it before. I'm getting about it today. The chat GBT, I don't know how to use it. I've been coming across it, but with this lecture, I've learned how to go about the chat GBT.
The training is richly rewarding, and I can't but ask for more. I wish the opportunities like this will continue to come our way, because there is nothing like capacity building. You know, when you grow yourself, you grow your skills, you get better on the job, and that's my experience today.
It's quite a revealing experience. I got to find out the more effective way on how to help rebrand like my club, the team I work for, and also do better reporting. With the new tools that were handed down to us, it will help make everything more effective.
Okay.
A partnership between Imo SWAN and OtownGist, and it's been fruitful, eventful, thrilling, mind-blowing, educative, and most importantly, the future is what most of my members have embraced in. I believe that as the year goes by, there is need for people to transcend, and one of it is digital marketing, and that's what OtownGist is very good at. Aside the gist, it's a media house, the best when it comes to content creation in Imo. Everything you're looking for, the services, they got it all. It's a full package.
So it's really very, very fulfilling and inspiring. And I think there's a lot of opportunities. He has opened our eyes to know that many journalists who are compromising the ethical values, that a lot of opportunities are available to them, which they can latch on to get better, make more money, and keep up with the trends, And we are living in a digital age. There is need for everybody to key in and get better in what he's doing. Thank you so much.
The innovation OtownGist have is very, very impressive, and I believe they have a lot. They have a lot more to offer to the public. What I saw today is very, very impressive. Kudos to the management of OtownGist.